Today we are doing a long-term analysis of Cummins India. So watch this video carefully because we are going to discuss some important trend trading concepts. Now the trend from this bottom of 200 rupees, the stock has hit an all-time high of 1600. So where exactly we should have bought this, and is the trend mature enough right now, or is it good enough to buy, or we need to wait? So let us discuss all these points. Now, if you see, prior to this fall, there was an uptrend in this stock, and when this last swing low was broken, the stock entered into a downtrend. Now, if you clearly follow a higher high, higher low, or lower high, lower low strategy, you can see this is clearly a low, and then you got a lower high. Then again you get a lower high, lower low, and again you got a lower high. So this is a weekly chart, and this is best for investment. Now again you got a lower low, and you got a lower high. So this was a clear example of downtrend, and again this lower low was there, but this time we got the trend change because you can see price clearly moving last lower high. So this was the best time to enter, and you can see from this price, although now trend trading strategy, although you cannot pick the exact bottom of 200 rupees, but you can catch when the momentum is high, and above this point the momentum was very high, and from this the stock has almost, I mean, more than double also. So now if you simply track this higher high, higher low strategy, now you can see, now if you trail this, you can see this made a low, again this made a high, again low, and again high, again low, again high. Now this has never broken the last low. So as of now the trend is up, but this move, the way it is going up, it's not very strong as of now. Now if you compare this movement, it was very fast, and now the movement has become very up and down like. So anytime a trend change can happen where it will break its last low. Now same thing like this, it happened here, and then there was a series. So because this up move does not look very promising, and if you monitor the MACD also, this was a first impulse, there was a strong momentum, and if you compare this momentum, the MACD is, the momentum is not there, and you can clearly see that there is a divergence between these two trends, this up wave and this up wave. There is a clear drop in momentum. So we expect price to any, I mean, right now it can go higher also, but sometimes in future the price will again reverse because momentum is lacking as of now. Now, if you also, now let me first clear this. Now, now we have discussed the best entry point was either this or now there are other strategies also which I have taught. Now, if you go to the monthly chart, you can clearly see there is a divergence between these two peaks. And so at this moment, we were expecting a change in trend. So if you go to daily chart or I mean, smaller intervals, you may have found some buying setups here. Now, let us see on the weekly chart. Now, between internally, now if you see, this was an impulsive move to the top, and then a small correction, one more up move, and between these two internally also there was a divergence. So whenever there is a divergence, we expect a corrective structure. Now in this case, the corrective structure was there. Now see, this is the corrective structure. Now between, let me draw it quickly. So this was the corrective structure. And so now the concept which I'm trying to say is that for after divergence, we either get a corrective structure or a reversal. Similarly, this is a divergence of higher time frame. Now between these two impulses, we are again getting a divergence. So anytime we can again get it either this similar sort of corrective or bigger corrective structure also, because this is a higher degree now. So after every divergence, we expect a correction or reversal. So that's why if you want to freshly invest in this stock, you should wait for some correction to happen, and then using similar trend trading strategy like we discussed in this chart also about similar, when there will be a trend change in this, then try to enter at that moment, because as of now, anytime due to lack of momentum, price can reverse. uh, so also important discussion regarding this is that now if you go to the daily chart, there is still some momentum left. So even though it can go more upside, but we should ignore that, because higher anytime there can be a reversal, but we cannot short it directly, because there can be still an upside in this. As you can see, this 1360 is the trailing stop on the daily. So if you get a sharp move down that breaks this, then that can be a start of fresh correction in this. So as of now, if you are looking for investment, we can actually avoid this and wait for this correction to happen. Also, if you go to the monthly chart, now this was an all-time high, and this level got cleared. So we can get any correction. Now suppose if it slowly comes to this point, retest it, I mean forming a corrective pattern, then that can be used using other trend trading setups, then that can be used for this up move, but we have to wait for this correction to happen. I hope this analysis helps, and it makes something clearer. And if you like this analysis, please post a comment and tell me what exactly you like about this setup. And also, if this delivers value, please consider subscribing and liking. Also, share among friends. And if you have any doubts, please post them as comments. Thank you.